Welcome to our channel. If you're preparing for the real estate license exam, creating the ideal study environment is crucial for your success. In this video, we'll share tips on how to set up a space that maximizes your focus and productivity. Let's get started. First, choose the right location. Find a quiet, comfortable spot in your home where you can study without interruptions. It could be a dedicated office, a corner of your bedroom, or even a cozy nook. Make sure it's away from high traffic areas and free from distractions like TV or noisy appliances. Next, set up your study space. A clean and organized environment can significantly boost your productivity. Start with a good desk and a comfortable chair. Keep your desk tidy and stocked with essential supplies like pens, notebooks, textbooks, and your computer. Consider using organizers or storage bins to keep everything in its place. Lighting and ergonomics play a crucial role in creating an ideal study environment. Natural light is best, so set up near a window if possible. If not, use a good quality desk lamp. Ensure your chair and desk are at the right height to avoid strain. A comfortable ergonomic setup can help you study longer without discomfort. Minimizing distractions is key. Turn off notifications on your phone or computer and consider using apps that block distracting websites. Let your family or housemates know your study schedule so they can avoid disturbing you during those times. Incorporate study tools to enhance your learning experience. Use a whiteboard or corkboard to jot down key concepts, reminders, and your study schedule. Consider noise-canceling headphones if you need to block out background noise, and use digital tools like flashcard apps and online practice exams. Creating a consistent study routine is essential. Set specific study times each day and stick to them. Consistency helps train your brain to focus during these periods. Use timers or alarms to manage your study sessions and take regular breaks to avoid burnout. The Pomodoro technique, which involves studying for 25 minutes and taking a 5-minute break, can be very effective. Adding personal touches can make your study environment more enjoyable. Decorate your space with motivational quotes, plants, or anything that inspires you. Personalizing your space can boost your mood and make studying feel less like a chore. Creating the ideal study environment is all about finding what works best for you. With the right setup, you can enhance your focus and make your study sessions more productive. Good luck with your real estate license exam prep. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and resources on your real estate journey. See you next time.